Hey Royals, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Josette. So today is going to be my 2.5 year Microlocs update. A little bit of information on my hair. My mom started my locks for me. I did do somewhat of a grid inspired by Fanta Hair Studio on Instagram. It was installed using the interlocking method and maintained with the 4-point rotation. So interlocking method, 4-point rotation, started on 2 to 3 inches of hair, and now here we are. I've done one big trim, which will be on my channel. I think it was at my 2-year mark. Yeah, at my 2-year mark, so 6 months ago, I did do a trim. It has grown out since then. I'm not going to be trimming my hair again anytime soon, as far as I know. I'm pretty sure I want to wait till 3, maybe 4 years locked to do another trim. I do eventually want to get rid of the layers and just have my hair one length, but we're not going to rush the process. We're just going to be patient and enjoy each stage. So a couple of things I want to talk about. Since we are 2.5 years locked already, time is flying by with this lock journey. Does anyone else feel that way? Like, especially if you started your journey around the same time as I did. Does it feel like it's just flying by? Like, in a couple of months, I'm gonna be 3 years locked. What? That's crazy. I wanted to share with you a new product favorite that I recently started using, which has been so good for my hair. In case you're wondering, for my shampoos, check out my most recent video. I used the Dove Anti-Itch or Anti-Dandruff shampoo. I'm trying to not purchase that again because I really want to get into more natural products so that I'm not putting any chemicals in my body at all. Did you guys see that recent study where Black women are getting cancers, like I believe it's uterine cancer, there's another one, because of the constant use of relaxers? I feel like a lot of people from my mom's generation, like the boomers, and even my generation, millennials, have been using relaxers since they were young. And if that's you, please stop. Please stop putting chemicals in your hair and in your body. Just be more mindful of what is going in your body. Like, it's really not that serious. If you want straight hair, put on a wig. Please stop putting chemicals in your body. And that's why I'm trying to switch to more natural products. And I'll touch more on that in a second. But a current favorite of mine that goes into my whole routine, which is on my most recent video, I use the Dove, like I said, shampoo. Then I use the Dr. Bronner's unscented shampoo, which is made with Castile soap, which is organic, natural, all natural. And then I've been loving the Mielle Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. This for my scalp, I love it. I've heard a lot of good things about rosemary for hair growth, and I am still recovering from my postpartum hair loss. So that's why I always wear my hair in the middle part. I do love the side part, but just because I don't like how it looks so spacey right here, like that's because that's where I lost hair. So I just wear my hair in the middle part. But anyway, I love this product. If you haven't tried it, definitely try it. I'll link it below because this I found on Amazon. Okay, the sun just went behind a cloud, so the lighting is a bit different. But like I was saying about natural products, I am gonna try something and I will share it on my channel. I'll share it here if it works out. I'm gonna try to make my own clarifying shampoo. Once my Dove shampoo runs out, which is like gonna be very soon, there's a little bit left, I'm gonna be trying to make my own clarifying shampoo. I really, really wanna get more into natural products that are good for me, good for my body, good for my hair. So I will keep you updated on that. If you have any tips, if you are really into natural stuff, let me know. I know that apple cider vinegar is a natural clarifier, so I'm thinking of incorporating that somehow, but I'll keep you updated on that. In terms of my postpartum hair loss, I've lost 2 locks. I know when I last updated you, I think it was for, my 2 year and 3 months update, 3 months ago, obviously. I hadn't lost any locks yet, but my baby is 8 months old now. Yeah. I just woke up and I went like this and it just came out. Very unexpected. And this was a nice long one, but I lost it. And then the other one that I lost was just a little tiny baby one. But this one's a bit more sad. Like, look at that. I'm really hoping not to lose any more. I've been using the Miel product. So, yeah, that's a little sad update. If you're also postpartum, I totally feel you. I understand. We're just going to power through and do what we can, and the hair will grow back. As long as we take care of it, it will grow back. So it's not really a big deal. But anyways, another update is that I just did my retie. I finished it a couple of days ago. I finished it in record time this time, in 4 days. Now, if you get your hair done by a professional, obviously you're gonna be like, girl, that is not fast at all. But if you do your reties yourself, it's pretty impressive. Keep in mind, I have 2 small children to take care of. So I pretty much only get my retie done at night or when they're napping. That's pretty good for me. I think that's my fastest retie so far. My goal is to just get faster and faster. You know, like get down to 3 days, then 2 days. I don't think I could ever do it in 1 day. That's kind of crazy. Maybe not even 2, but if I could get down to 3 days, that would be chef's kiss. So this is what my retie looks like. I just applied, I just sprayed my hair with water a little bit, and I applied oils to my scalp because tomorrow is wash day. So So yeah, that is my hair. Overall, I'm really excited for my journey. Unfortunately, I still cannot get my hair in a ponytail. I'm not there yet, and I'm dying to put my hair in a ponytail. But a little hack that I've done is I use a bandana, fold it into a triangle, and just wear it as a bandana headband. And that's really good for when I'm doing my workouts, so I don't have hair in my face. Another thing is I haven't dyed my hair, and my ends are getting really light, as they usually do. But yeah, like, how good does this look? So fresh. If you have not gotten locks yet, what are you waiting for? I mean, it's just, I just wake up and go. I love it. I am wearing my bonnet right now because I do have a fresh retie, so I will be wearing it every night for the next 2 to 3 weeks. When it starts to get grown out and more frizzy, I don't tend to wear it as often. Maybe if I'm protecting curls, I will, but yeah. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Josette Bianca to get updates when I'm not on my channel posting. And also subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!